Okay, so here's the problem. It runs roughs. There you notice. Suddenly it goes down. Don't know what the problem is. It's only when it's warm. And then I go and rev the engine. And when it's around 2000. Not every time. It's just spikes. I go slowly up to 2000. No problem now. It's just sometimes. There. And then I have to accelerate again. And I think it's, there it goes. When I rev it faster, no problem. Run smooth. It's just around 2000. There. And then the rough idle. It's not always. It comes and goes. See, now it's stable, and then all of a sudden it. Yeah, not consistent. Anybody know what's the problem?